Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel, to my YouTube channel, to our YouTube channel. And today we are planning to go to do a morning ride. It was supposed to be early morning ride before the sunrise, but as usual I woke up a little bit late. I planned to woke up at 6 o'clock, around that time, but got up at around 6:30. And then yeah, Goa is not so cold anymore like before. Like right during in 2000 or something like that. During that time it was supposed to be very cold in the morning. Like literally people used to light up the bonfire kind of scenario in the morning. But now you can only feel the cold while you are riding or out in the place where there are fields. Towards my left you'll see a hotel over here. It's called Vinayak. It's in a lot of popularity recently. It has been a popular restaurant from past 2-3 years, but nowadays it's been very more popular now. The most popular dish is their fish thali. But obvious, right? If you're in Goa, you will have fish thali. The place that I'm visiting today for the early morning ride is in Bicholim. Wait and see which place is that. It's over here. Foresta stalo. So we take this trail and we climb up. Finally here. Finally here. So this place was built in 1683 by for Prince Akbar II. He was a rebellious son of Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. So this is like it's not like a traditional namaz or mosque. It's like open air prayer center. So as you can see, it's like more. The architecture is inspired by Persian and a little bit of Portuguese here and there. As you can see, the open balconies to sit around of the place. So yeah, so that's what I know for the history. If you want to know more about this place, Google it please. I'm not a history geek. I just wanted to explore this place, so I came over here. The view from this mosque is very much breathtaking. You can see the whole Bicholim village or the Bicholim Town, as you're gonna say it. So you can see the whole Bicholim Town and the surrounding village from here. Plus you can see the ghats over there. So that's the ghats, Western Ghats. So you can see that. I wanted to come over here very early in the morning, like during the sunrise time, because the view during that time is breathtaking. And shout out to Gunjan Chari for posting that amazing picture of the sunrise from this place, which actually made me to visit this place. So yeah, Gunjan Chari, thanks for doing that, for uploading that picture. So yep, the view is jackass. It's like this is the view of the entire place. I should have got my DSLR. Could have taken some amazing pictures from here. It's been so beautiful. So beautiful this place is. So if you're coming over here, please don't litter this place. Keep it clean, because it's already been littered, as you can see. A lot of stuff. A lot of garbage around. So please don't litter them. Yeah, but just enjoy the view, and it's very peaceful over here. It's really very peaceful. Early in the morning, late in the evening, before the sunset is a good place to come and visit. So if you're planning to do that, please come and do it. But I'm a fan of this view. So if you know something about, if you know more about this location, please do comment in the comment section below, and you can also Google it. Yeah, because I don't know much about this place, but it's worth coming over here. Okay, so let me tell you how to come to this place, but before that, promise me that when you come over here, you're gonna make sure you leave this place clean. Don't throw your garbage over here. Just whatever you bring with you,
take it back with you. And whenever you find a dustbin close by, there's a dustbin next near the entrance of the mosque of this place, so just throw it in that. So when you have to take off-road kind of road, it's gonna show it on your map. So there's gonna be a signboard saying heritage property over here, and on the left hand side, depending on from where you're coming, over there is gonna be steps. So you take those steps, you do a small trek, you become a trekker for few minutes, trekker for few minutes. Once you do that, you will be entering from that spot. I don't know how you enter from there. But I enter from here. So yeah, that's where you're gonna enter from. And come early in the morning, during the sunrise time or just before the sunset. Now I'll be changing to my moto vlog setup, and we'll see you on the bike. So now I'm heading home. That's it for this vlog. It was a fun experience exploring the Namazgah, but I don't know how you pronounce it. It was fun experience exploring it. The only thing was that should have come early in the morning. So thank you for watching this vlog. I hope you all liked it. If you do, then please hit the like button. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, as it gonna help me to grow on the YouTube and gonna motivate me to make more videos and explore the unexplored places. And comment, give me your feedback, it will help me. Okay then, till then, be safe, be yourself, and peace.